Hi, so when we would like to create a task in Moodle, it does not look exactly the same. Sadly, we cannot create a task with multiple pages, but they do have a few options that I wanted to show you. The first option is to create an assignment. Now this will create a task in one page and require the student to send you their work. So if you would like them to send you the page from their OneNote or the answers to some of the questions that they had answered, then you need to create an assignment from the activities section. If you would just like to provide them with some links, some videos, some pictures, or some charts, you can create a page in the resources. The big difference between the resources and the activities is that activities the students need to send to you. So to create an assignment, we add, you name your assignment. For example, let's do Who Won. And right here in description, you get to write your task. Now for me, it's a little hard to create a task inside such a small box. So I click on these 4 arrows and I make my screen full screen. If you do not have this button, look up for this. It shows you more or fewer options for editing. I always like to work with more. So since I want to start with the title, I make my font size large. I bold and I underline. Pre-reading. Again, I have to make my font size large. But since this is not a title, I'm not going to use bold or underlined. Okay, so you would write something like this, and you would link them to the Quizlet. So if I had a link to the Quizlet, I would show you. For now, we would just use this link. I Control-C to copy the link. I go back to the task, highlight the word which I would like to link it on, and click here, Insert or Edit Link. Now Control-V pastes my link, and I insert. It's as easy as that to insert a link, but make sure that this is changed to open in a new window. Otherwise, it will completely go out of the task for the students. If we open in a new window, it will open a new tab for them. Update. Then, make my font a little bit bigger, bold it and underline it for a new subtitle. Yes, bold. Not bold. And I give my next set of instructions. Since this is an assignment, I can have the students answer in their OneNote and then send me their tasks. This font is a little big. I'm just going to make it smaller. So here I would like to link the students to the textbook. Again, you insert or edit the link. Control-V to paste. You wouldn't paste a Quizlet. And every time we have to make sure it opens in a new window. Now here, instead of linking them to the book for the questions, since there are 15 questions and I would only like them to answer 5, I'm going to insert a screenshot of the pictures that I would like them to answer. So I go up to Insert or Edit an Image, Find or Upload an Image, choose a file, and upload this file. I click OK. I don't feel that my picture really needs a description. Now they have the questions that they are asked to answer in their OneNote. After you finish creating your task, you zoom out and you click Save and Return to Course. All of these options up here, they allow you to choose when your students send you the task, when the task is opened, when the task disappears, if they do it in groups, who gets to see the task, all sorts of intricate details that, since we don't have students yet, I can't really show you. But you save and return to course. And this is what it will look like to the students. They'll see our first title, the instructions, our second one, more instructions, and the questions they have to answer. Then below, here, they will have the option to send or attach the page from their OneNote. As a teacher, we see how many students were assigned this task, how many are working on it, how many have sent it to us, and how many we have yet to grade. When we create a page, we won't have any of those grading options. It will look exactly the same, minus the grading.